Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we're going to be talking about one of the coolest AI products I have seen in the e-commerce space. Now, one of the biggest hassles I had growing into the e-commerce space was getting my products professionally photographed to put on my site. Now, you can have the best products in the world, and if the branding isn't good, if the photo doesn't look good, people will not get that first impression that you want to give them. So I found an AI right now that can save you hiring a photographer. It can save so much hassle for you because in a few clicks, you can have studio quality photography at a click. Not only that, you can have people actually wear your clothing. So not only can you see what it will look like on someone, but you can actually sell it with that vibe. So let's dive into this video now and show you exactly what I'm talking about so you can see it firsthand. All right, guys, so here you can see the homepage of Snappyit. Now, it says very clear, boost your apparel sales with the AI perfect product images. Again, I'm gonna be going through all of these today. All right, so stay tuned to the entire video. It's actually super insane how much value this company can give you in one platform. I know that for the longest time, especially before AI was really this hyped, I used to go to about 6 different platforms to get not even a good service, but something similar to what they give here. Now they give a perfect service and you can get it all in one platform. So let me get into this before I just drag this on. All right, it's absolutely insane. First thing I want to try is the Ghost Mannequin feature. So this is the AI Ghost Mannequin generator for product photography. I'm going to drag one of my photographs into here. Okay, this is a photograph just of a simple jumper. Okay, and you can see it getting developed here. This is the original image. Next thing you're going to do, guys, go down to clothing type. I'm going to click on here. You've got tops, pants, dresses, skirt. You want to describe exactly what it is. So I'm going to go with top for this one, the style templates that you want to do. It's actually going to give it a 3D kind of look. Okay, then again, this is just a raw product photo. You can be anywhere. It can lie on the floor. It can just be hanging in your wardrobe. It doesn't matter. I want it to be like on the side like this. Okay, I'm going to go with a 1 photo count. The basic model is going to cost me 1 token here. You can see on the pro model is going to cost me 3. I'm going to just to show you this, I'm going to do the cost efficient 1 token generate, and let's see how this comes up. Now, while that's loaded, guys, I'll just tell you, you don't need a studio to take photos of your garments anymore. You don't need a model. You don't need a lighting setup. You can see this photo is pretty rushed by me, taken on a phone, and we're going to see this come out pretty spectacular if it follows what it's been doing for me recently. The AI actually understands the fabric and the shape of the garment construction. That's why you have to choose the clothing type, and it will develop the 3D structure for you. All right, guys, so you can see this generated now. So from the original image that I took and it was hanging on a coat hanger, I still had the tag out. It actually looks really cool when they have made this 3D images. On the side, it looks exactly like the garment does. So you can see the result. And this just cost me 1 credit, guys. All right, this is absolutely insane. You can actually retry it if it was wrong, if you want to change it in any way, but this looks pretty spectacular. And this is just one of the AI features that this has. Now, this is going to save you about 80% not using Photoshop or hiring an editor to take care of this for you. This AI will do it in just a few clicks. So guys, that's how you do that feature. Now, as we go through the website, you can see there is way more, okay? There's Ghost Mannequin, which just tested. There's a color change, the try on, and the image to video. So would you say we go straight into number 2? All right, so let's try the try on section, okay? This is where it's going to turn the garments into the best-selling virtual try on images. So again, we're going to use the exact same raw photo. We're going to add this in, okay? This is going to instantly make this a try on garment. Now, when you see the try on area, it says auto, top, bottom. I'm just going to make sure that we do keep this as a top. You can just say auto and it'll track it for you, but why not give it as much description as we can? Now, the try on model, what we're going to do is you can upload a model of your own, or you can choose one that's on there. Now, I do recommend choosing one that's on there because it's been perfectly created for this purpose. Now, if you want to choose the gender, you can. Let's go with female. Let's choose an age of an adult. Body type doesn't really matter, but let's just go, for example, regular. And the style, we're going to go with lifestyle. There's so much different ones you can choose, and let's choose this. Okay, this one looks quite cool. Outside looks like a Bali villa. All right, we're going to choose 1 photo, and this is going to cost us 3 credits. All right, guys, so we're going to generate these 3 credits right now. Now, while this is loading, so you can see this result, this is a perfect way to save costs, because hiring a photographer for the first one I showed you, the Ghost Mannequin, does cost a lot of money, but hiring a model, I promise you, costs way more. So the fact you don't have to do that now, you're going to save another huge batch of costs. By the end of this video, you're probably not going to spend too much, and you're going to thank me a lot. This is going to help you launch collections 3 times faster than you used to. It's going to help you sell out your products, and also it's going to help you see what this will look like on someone. So just before the selling phase, if you use this AI, you'll actually see what this looks like. So you can change your mind, you can redesign if you need to, ready for launch in your store. So here you can see the garment is now on the model. This is really, really unique, guys. Look, so we now can see what it looks like, not only just with other clothes on in different backgrounds, but on a model, our product is already sat there. So this exact jumper is on there now. They've even took the tag off for this this photo so it looks like she is wearing this in a natural way. This is absolutely insane. And guys, again, there is more features coming up, but if this is something that you think you could help save money in your business and also launch faster and sell out faster, you need to get on this. And I don't care if you even left to the end of the video, get on it and start trying it right now. So let's go back, guys, to the homepage and let's see what else there is on here. Okay, we've done the ghost mannequin, done the try on features. Okay, so would you say we try the color change? Let's try and see if we can change that garment to a different color. So let's drag this straight back in, and I'm going to tell you as it's loading a little bit more about this specific feature. So we're going to do this in now. It's scanning. Now it says change the color of the sweaters, which is perfect. Okay, it is a sweater. Now the target color, what color do we want to go for? You can let me know in the comments, but I'm going to choose a minty kind of green. I can actually see a perfect one there. All right, and we're going to choose that. And it's going to be another free tokens to generate. So let's generate this and see how well this does come out. Now, while this is loading, I think this will be a little bit quicker. Usually they're all about 30 seconds, which is absolutely insane. Okay, you can actually change any part of the product's color with high precision. All right, this maintains the original texture, lighting, and material realism, which you will see very soon. It doesn't change it. It doesn't just now go to a snakeskin jumper. You look, it's the exact texture, the exact ribs that are in the stitching. Everything is the same. Even the tag is the exact same, but this is now a completely different color. It's really, really smart because it picks up every other color around it and doesn't edit that one bit, guys. So this is perfect example of the garment that I took a photo of, and now it's on here changing color. Really, really unique. So if you have designed an amazing piece of clothing and you want to sell this collection out fast, but you wonder what would this be like in different colors, this is a perfect tool for you. All right, guys, now going into the image to video. All right, I'm going to actually use a different image because for this, you want to have a model with the clothing on. So that doesn't have to be a professional model. It could be myself. It could be myself with this t-shirt on. So I'm going to show you a picture, one of my friends with a sweater on. Okay, so staying with a sweater theme here. I'm going to drag this in. Okay, it's going to load up now. And this is a really unique one. This is not just using a product, changing the color. This is going to turn this into a viral video, or a video good enough that you can put on your homepage and show how this looks. So if you just want your friend to wear something that you're trying to sell, say this sweater, okay, you can choose the template and you can actually see it live. So let's go with full body and pose. Okay, a little bit, 5 seconds like this. Let's go full body and pose and let's generate this. So let's go. Now, guys, with the image to video, this is going to be a little bit different because you're not just going to send an image of the sweater on the floor. Okay, so I've got a friend to put a sweater on. I'm going to show you this right now. Now, this is a really unique way because you can get, say you're selling this t-shirt on a Shopify store. You can just say, hey, to your friend or yourself, put it on, take a quick picture. It doesn't have to be professional, and then you can make it look professional. So let's drag this in. You're going to see it's actually a pretty good photo anyway, but then we're going to choose the template here and we're going to make it animated. So if you want upper body fast pose cuts, let's click this. Okay, let's go for generate, and we're going to generate this right now. Now, this is probably the most unique one because it gives a different feel than this picture that could be, you know, photoshopped, all these different things. It gives a more in-depth. You can see what it feels like on a body, what it looks like, what it's going to possibly look like on you if you have the same kind of figure or when people are buying it. So it's really unique. You could choose this for all different kind of sizes, guys. So when this is going, you're going to see in 2 minutes it's going to be done. All right. This is probably the reason that they are ahead of the game of anyone else, because I have seen companies before that can change colors of things. It doesn't look as seamless as how Snappy have done it, but I have seen people that can change colors of sweaters and things. I've never seen someone that can do this. All right. You can get your product on a model, animated, all from a picture of just me wearing it, for example, and with no pose. All right. You usually have to have at least the basics of a model wearing it, and then usually an AI can maybe turn it into something generated. This is insane, and I'm really, really excited for you. I'm going to just wait until this loads and then show you the results. All right, guys, so let's check this out. It took less than 2 minutes, which is absolutely insane. And let's play. So now my friend is sitting here. The sweater is moving. You can see the depth. It's so incredible. This is exactly why I am obsessed with Snappyit. Pricing is super unique. All right, you can actually start this for free with 10 credits for new users. You can go to the basic, all right, which has got $30 off if you use that link straight down below. It's going to get you 100 credits. It's working out at 10 cents a credit. How many times could you get a model just for 10 cents? You cannot. The recommended standard minus 30%, okay, is with $15.09 a month. All the way to the pro, which is $49.9 a month. Less than $50 a month, guys. You're getting 800 credits. You could literally sell out collections all week with that package. So, guys, that is the tool that I've been raving about all over social media, and now finally bringing it to my YouTube platform. Please make sure you do try it out. You can try it out for absolutely free. Just like I've just shown you, you could do the exact same steps for free. Use it on any collection that you have, okay? If you manage to get into a problem, please just message their support. They're super fast and convenient. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified. Check it out with the link down below. You're going to get that exclusive discount, and I'll see you next time. That you have, okay? If you manage to get into a problem, please just message their support. They're super fast and convenient. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified. Check it out with the link down below. You're going to get that exclusive discount, and I'll see you next time.